Every story begins with a blank page. At St. Petroc Premier School, we fill every day with color, questions, discovery, and joy. Here we don't just memorize, we explore, we ask why, and we build the how. The competency-based curriculum isn't just a method, it's our superpower. Because at St. Petroc, we don't just prepare for exams, we prepare for life. Creative thinkers, curious minds, confident voices, kind hearts. It's more than a school. It's a place where confidence grows and dreams begin. Playgroup to junior secondary, a complete, caring, and creative journey. Start 2026 with purpose, with play, with possibility. St. Petroc Premier School, start here, shine everywhere.